Hello YouTube, lemon, useful facts. Today we will talk about a product that is familiar to everyone since childhood. Many people use lemon in their daily diet, adding to side dishes, salads, drinks or desserts. Citrus fruits, oranges, tangerines, grapefruits, pomelo and, of course, lemons, are usually present on our table during the cold season. Lemon is considered to be a source of ascorbic acid because it is sour. Some carry out vitaminization from a cold with lemon, using it in slices or adding it to tea and other drinks. However, the average lemon, which weighs 60 grams, can indeed provide the body with 25 to 30 milligrams of vitamin C, which corresponds to 1/3 of its daily intake. But few people will eat a fresh citrus fruit whole with pulp and peel. Therefore, it is hardly worth counting on a slice of lemon as a source of precisely ascorbic acid, especially when put in a hot drink. Unfortunately, when exposed to hot water, most of the vitamin is destroyed. In addition to ascorbic acid, lemons contain small amounts of vitamins B6 and B1. Among the minerals, calcium, 12.2%, and copper, 9%. Contained in the peel of a lemon should be noted. It also contains 4 times more fiber, 42%, and pectin, 40%, than in the pulp. And although lemons are not the champion in the content of ascorbic acid, they have many other substances that show their beneficial properties. These are organic acids, citric and malic, phytoncides, rutin. The flavonoids hesperidin and diosmin improve blood circulation and help prevent the development of atherosclerosis, while limonene, naringinin and coumarins have an antitumor effect. However, it should be noted that it is very difficult to get a high dose of these substances by consuming only lemons. And, nevertheless, the regular use of lemon, its zest will enrich your diet with these valuable substances. Moreover, in lemons, their number remains unchanged for almost the entire year. However, not every person can benefit from lemon. Specific proteins of citrus and lemon in particular are allergens, especially if these fruits are consumed in large quantities. Therefore, children should be given lemon and other citrus fruits with caution and in small amounts. Do not get carried away with lemons in people with high acidity, stomach ulcers and problematic pancreas. In such cases, it is better to use not the lemon itself, but its zest. The main rule to follow is to eat lemon in reasonable quantities. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.